short of breath while walking or climbing stairs. It's not just aging. It might be COPD, chronic cough that won't go away. Even without fever, that's a red flag. Feeling tightness in your chest often. Your lungs may be inflamed and narrowing. History of smoking or living in polluted areas. Your lung function could be dropping silently. Early diagnosis helps slow it down and breathe easier. Pulmonary function tests can reveal the truth. COPD doesn't wait till old age. It builds quietly. Don't let breathlessness steal your freedom.